And we are live. Meaning Jolie. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. On segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. This is session 61, reading on Panyikwara clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay. Today we will be reading about the very first subclan in Panyikwara, which is Bura. And a poem attack. Please make sure to join the live if you're interested. Please engage with the platform, like, comment, share. Um, Send us a DM if you would like to be a guest, if you're from Panyikwara or Bura. Please let me know if everything that I'm reading today about Bura is correct. If you have anything you would like to add, please also send us a DM or comment under this video. Okay. Nyinga Jacqueline Kangokot. I would like to go right into reading so we don't waste too much time. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page, which is Chaka Leb Acholi, so you can stay up to date with the content and you can watch full videos there. You can also watch on Chaka Leb Acholi on Facebook. I also post on my personal Facebook platform, which is Chaka Kang South Sudan. Okay, on a poem tech. If you want to hear more about Panyikwara or the introduction about Panyikwara and how they settled in present-day South Sudan, please watch the previous video. Okay. Again, I will be reading about the Panyikwara clan all this week, starting with Bura. There's 9 subclans in Panyikwara. Okay, yesterday we found that most of them came from Anuak, led by Nyikwaro, and they later found the Mari people. They fought the Mari people, defeated the Mari people, and they entered into Acholi lands that was previously occupied by some Mari people. They do speak Acholi and Mari. There's a lot of intermarriages between the Mari and the Panyikwara Acholi people. And then their chief is the Acholi. At some point, their chief was Chief Modi. And then the son of Chief Modi took over and led them into their present location in Garawire. Well, at that time, it was Garawire, and then they moved into other territories. Okay, so I'm going to start reading about Bura. Bura was the first clan of the Panyikwara people, subclan of the Panyikwara people to enter into their present land. Okay, so they're considered the forefathers or founding fathers of Panyikwara. Some people like to dispute that, but based on research and findings in this text, we will accept that Bura is the Wiringom Panyikwara. If you're from Panyikwara or Bura or any of the subclans, if you'd like to dispute or even comment on what I'm reading today, please also leave your comments under this video or send me a DM. Apo Matek. Okay, so I would like to go right into reading now. The reading is about a page, maybe 2 pages. Okay. I'm going to read as fast as I can, leave some commentary in English, and then I will read on the next subclan tomorrow. The next subclan after Bura will be Goloba or Goloba. Okay, let me know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So Bura, okay, la jojo choning on regarding jo mi Bura mi Panyikwara. Te kwara pa chuli wajone jo Bura obino gi ijilo nyoa nyok. Okay. Gino chiro ogero itegot iwire ikin moha apara bichel gi pier boro vya chel. Lotino Bura mokene wajone gin oweka loba nyok ki moha mia apara bichel mia apara bichel, yeah, that's correct. we mi apar bichiel gi wi ariyo. Okay. Pilok mi da mau bedo ikin gipir gi labongo. Okay, we all know the story. Look me laro tira gitong bura aweka loba nyak pilok kom da mau bedo ikin gipir gi labongo. Magino bedo kwede kalar lok kom tira gitong. Okay. Kadong ningo kit mawa bedo kanera ne malo kan jobura obino ogon e bili nyang pimwaka Piera Beach mi mo chahe mia apara bichel gi wi adek wi gi apara bichel gi Piera Beach wi adek. Okay. Kala chien gino mere gi wood gino bino yaru matie ilobo lo lubo. Okay. Te kwara papa Panyikwara wajoni ruot Nyikwara oto ibili nyang. Okay, munu present day kama bari ti wal joba. Okay. Ka ingeto pa ruot Nyikwara wore modi o mahoke la chien ruot modi o neno ni bili nyang pe kabir mabe bo luak mere piman imwa apar bichel gi Piera Beach adek eno kwanyo luak gi bili nyang gino bedo ka wuot makun gin dok kwere yot yung nyango nyo east. Okay. Ka gin obino yaru matie ilobo lo lubo. Okay. Yala ningo ruot modi obedo yaru pimwaka Piera dek Chaka gingo apar bichel gi Piera Beach wi adek wi apar bichel gi Piera boro wi adek. Okay. Giku marach tuo mako ruot modi gi aru ma omero gi nere. Okay. Ingeta pa ruot modi wore magilungo gitala o mako ke ikin moha apar bichel gi Piera boro wi achiel. Ruot gitala mot onongo ni ngom lo lobo bene pe cheko chum mapar magin miro. Imoka par bichel gi Piera boro wi ang'wen. Ruot gitala okwanya luak mi bura gi aru. Okay. Gino bedo ka wuot makun gin dok kwere yo tung ping yo south. Okay. Ka inge dwe achiel nyo ariyo luak pa ruot gitala o ok e kom god iwire imwaha apar bichel gi Piera boro wi abich. Okay. Luak pa gana ruot gitala o nongo jo mari nyo jo moli tokoro mi mari tie itiman. Okay. Pien jo mari o bino chon gi rijaf ene babene ka gin o gonyi timan. Duan wajani jo mari pe o neno luak pa gitala gi wang maleng pi man gino royal loin i kombura. Okay. Ento will dano ma ruot gitala woro kwede duong loya will pa jo mari. Ada bura o luanya kom mari ka o buagin bene waha. Mari mapol ma dongi e laktang fabura oringo adok tung poro ching o west. Okay. Te kwara pa Panyikwara wajuni ruot mari pe otoi luany man. Kala chien ruot mari gidano mere maudong gino donyo ite loch pa ruot gitala. Jo mari peuri te lodge pa ruot kitala inge mo achiel gino lubo ko omero megi tung poro ching. Okay. Karong ningoni te kwara pa Panyikwara wajuni mapuri pe ite otero moha mapol ruot talopu mi pajul wala mi pajule mi Uganda obino giluak mere ikin moha apar bichel gi piera bongoen. Okay. Gin dong okero komgi ikom luak pa ruot gitala. Ruot gitala o jolo ruot talopu mabe omia bodgi ngom mi gero gi mi pu. La dit gera limo mamur o delfere o waje borane ruot talopu o bino gi jami ke wa gi bul kal magi luongo akenda who ngeo drop your comments akenda ne ngone nyo bul akenda ruot gitala wot pamodi pien eno bero dano mi anywak eno nongo pe ngeo chik kwaro paluo but anywak bene gin luo. So what do you mean? Anyways, we had a look at pongeo kwaro ogena chik ne ngone chik kwaro paluo pilokman ikare magino o imere. That's the name of the place, Mede, M-E-D-E. Okay, so pilokman ikare magino o imere gino bero kalubu chikwaro mi anywak. Okay, so when jo mi gino bino jo patalupu munu jongoni lo lubo mi Uganda nyo pajul mi Uganda gibino gichaka gina no. They had to follow Chikmi Anyok, or the culture of Anyok and their tradition and their rule, basically, because they were from two different not different ethnic groups, but different tribes, I would say. Ento inge muaha manok malobo bino paruot talipu gi pajul wala pajule. Ruot talipu chako kelo chik kwaro paluo ikin jo Panyikwara. Okay. Okay, so talipu mi Uganda, President Uganda mu chako kelo chik mi luo bojo Panyikwara. Ono gin jo Anyok. What Anyok is luo? Am I confused? Drop your comments. Okay. Ruot talipu peo bino gi twin maraj milar ke mana ye gin ma weho ruot talipu o waje kwede ni jo bura kal uno mero mera u maki ke meu gi molo u chwe bene kot wek dano o cheki chiom od luak an japa jul wala japa jule aweho ruot mera dong bojo Panyikwara wala jo Panyikwara. Okay, ruot kitala o kwanya kiri kot pa ruot talipu o meriko mere dana mi bura tiegi dok od matino abichel kidman. Okay, bura kot bura worge. Drop your comments. What is this? Bura worge. Bura pagena. Bura ong koloba. Bura pajul wala bura pajule. Gi bura panyamo. Drop your comments. Kungyo nyingang abichel enemi bura. Dogola neti abichel di bura. Emi Panyikwara. Are you from there? Drop your comments. Mapo. Yelo la chojo wajani ngo. Dogod mi bura ong golobo. Gi bura pajule. Wala paju. Obedo dano mi achiel modonyo. I kin jo bura kot. Okay. Now the Burakot people are the original people of Panyikwara, Mogi Rube Jopa Julmi Achel. Okay, so Jopa Nyikwara, mi anyok or Rube Gimari, Kadoko Jopa Julu Bino Medikumgi. So Gin Burakot. Dogal I'm gonna be after I believe. Ole Jopa Nyikwara Gimari Burakot. Ka Jopa Julu Bino Medikumgi. Kadong Ningoni. So jo mi bura pa jule munu jo Nyikwara magi rube gi pa jule. Gi danya kum jo bura kat the original people mi kene bura mati ku jano. Kada hong no bura on golobo or on goloba. Ukanya drop your comments. Utamaning on. Okay? Yala kada ningo. Kadok on mi bura pagena o bedo dana mi ario. Mi danya ikin jo bura kot. Jo pagena obino ki imundari. Okay, that's interesting. Drop your comments. What do you think? Kain mi jo pagena. What do you think? Ubino ki imundari. Do you know that? Drop your comments. You know what? Gi dilni maduong. Okay. So jo, of course, jo mundari o diang nini. So gi bino ki dilni maduong e Panyikwara. Okay. Ikare magino okay mede. Gino nongo mun bura ka tie ka tuamo pi gi wang 8. Okay. Mano kany lotina wobe mi pagena. Lotina wobe mi pagena o chaka konya mon mi bura ka gi tuamo pi. Mon ma oneno team mon ma oneno team mabe gi wara malotino man onyuro bodgi. Gino chwalo lok man bor ruot kitala. Ma la kwena pa mon obedo ka wache bor ruot ni. Ti dana ma oworo gi diangi ma pol. Gin bene obedo ka konyo wan gi tuango pi gi wangit. Dana man pe okelo ayela ikomwa. Man bene chwinywa obedo yom ikomgi. Yala gi kanyingo ruot gi tala mo winyo duan man. Okay. Ochwalo lo kwena mere wek ochit ka rware gi jo pagena. Okay. Ruot bene omio abino kongo kwere gi lokuru I ko what that is. Lokuru wek ote mi kwe chwiny ruot mi pagena. Lo kwena pa ruot kitala ote abino kongo kwere abino kongo kwere bod ruot mi pagena mape wangeo nyinge. Kilongeo nying lo kwena neko jomo chwalo gini gite kongo bod kinane jo pagena mi mundari magibino ne. Okay, yala ningo te kwara mi Panyikwara wacho ni ruot pagena ogamo abino kongo gi lokoro gi yom chwiny madira tika. Ngegamo jami megi ruot mi pagena bene okwanyo tuon diang achiel royo diang achiel roya diang achiel gi chak bod lo kwena paru gitala wegino te le man bore. Okay. Karangi kenyo ningo lo kwena dong otero tuon diang gi roya diang omia bod ruot kitala. Okay. Ruot kitala la cheno mia bod jo pagen ngomi pur gimi gero matie chok ikom bura kot. Man bene gin ma o weko jo pagena o doko kwere bura kala chen gin o chako lungo kumgi ni jo bura pagena. If you know this information, drop your comments, like, share. Apoy. Ningo ka miel tie idibo mi Panyikwara jo bura pagena ye maka bere padano mi dok od mi bura. Okay. Wow, that's major. Okay. Chik bene okwer ni lotina wobe gi lotina nyira mi bura bura pajul wala bura pajule gi bura ongoloba gin pe nyome ento gin tuero nyomo lotina wobe nyo lotina nyira gi idok od mi bura worege nyo bura panyamo mi ario chik bene okwero ni lotina wobe gi lotina nyira mi dok od mi bura panyamo gi bura ongoloba bene penyome gi dok od mi bura duchu wanongo ni jo bura pagena keken matuero nyomo latina nyaka nyo latina wobi mi dok od mi mo keken gi bura. So the Mundari people bura pagena gituero nyomo ngamo ken gi bura. Okay, what do you think? Drop your comments. Cool, near this information. If you're from Bura, if you're from Panyikwara, if you want to clarify anything, we'll drop comments too. Kind of boy. Yella regarding team gi God mi Bura. La chojo choni ngoni. Bura tigi team achel magilungo or will kado. Interesting. Or will kado. So the direct English translation of that is ngoni. Buy salt. Buy to purchase salt or will cattle. Okay, so that's the land belonging to Bura in Panyikwara. Okay, man bene tima jo Bura team ogero team o will cattle dano pe dwaro pien dano ogero mapol ento yara chama chalo oduya matie timan luak yero tero bodrot pepi man ke ken dana bene joko cham magino chao itiman gin tero bodrot kala chen Panyikwara mo onongole okong itiman en bene miero te bodrot luak mi Bura mau geri team o will kado pe nyuru woro megi bodrot gi mio ajo keken gin bene puru poro bodrot. Okay, te kwar mi Panyikwara wajadi jo Bura tigi got ario mana ye got iba gi got pa wume got pa wume wala wume te kwar pa Bura wajani jo goloba aye ochulo got iba bod Bura pilok mi nego latin anyaka mi Bura magino nego dwa. Okay, jo Bura bene tiegi jok achiel magilungo jok iba matie kom God iba wala God iba kai miro nyang matut look mi dok ikom jok iba wala jok iba kwandu mi pierario wiangwen dini achonya pacholi mati pot wargango mia aboro gi pieraboro we had dek. Okay, so that's all about Bura. Okay, machojo nongo ni jo Bura biro weri ngom gidonyo kenyu kong giselo igot iwire gibino gi anyok giselo ibeli nyang kagi bino kire we te gara iwire ka jumo cha joining kingi bero ringom. Okay, gina modi kong ni kwaro munu descendant pa jilo jo mishiluk jani mayangi luanya about ti khone ni kwaro gingo mina dimo dumo ni kwaro jilo. Okay, kala chin magi cher kenyon gi wor gi nyual bi nyual ni kwaro ok yo pin iroi pa ni kwaro ka ni kwaro kono nyual modi bibero ndoko chief ka mori o nyuala gitala bero chief jomoko bino sero kere dog oti abichiel nyo dog gang ti abichiel ibura. Okay, gitie gi jock gitie gi god. Okay, gitie gi team or will kado. Okay, so that's it. We'll drop your comments. What do you think about Bura? Tomorrow I will read about the subclan Goloba. Well, Goloba. Okay, that's the next subclan. Okay, please stay tuned. If you'd like to be a guest, send us a message. Drop a comment under this video. Please share. Please follow us on Facebook, Chaka Leb Acholi. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Chaka Kang South Sudan. And follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Chaka Leb Acholi as well. This reading segment is called Kwan Leb Acholi. It's within the same platform, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. My name is Jacqueline Kang of Kot, and I will read again tomorrow. Please stay tuned. Bye-bye.